In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Google Docs file as a Microsoft Word document. This quick and straightforward process will help you save your work in a format that's compatible with Word, which can be useful for sharing documents or when working with people who prefer Microsoft Office tools. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to docs.google.com. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, you'll need to log into your Google account if you haven't already. Make sure you enter your credentials correctly to access your documents. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one to proceed. Once you're logged in, decide whether you'd like to work with an existing document or start a new one from scratch. If you already have a document you want to download, locate it in your list of files and open it by clicking on its name. If you're creating a new document, simply click on the blank document icon and an empty document will open up for you to start typing. After opening your document, you'll find yourself in the familiar Google Docs editor. All the options are laid out neatly at the top of the page for easy navigation. To begin the process of downloading your document, take your mouse to the top left corner and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Scroll down in this menu until you see the Download option. Hover over or click on Download, and you'll notice several different formats you can choose from. For this purpose, we want to choose Microsoft Word with the file extension Docx. Click on it, and your browser will automatically begin downloading the document in Word format. Depending on your settings, it might save directly to your default downloads folder or prompt you to choose a location. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully downloaded your Google Docs file as a Microsoft Word document. It's really that simple. Now you can open this file using any version of Microsoft Word or share it with someone who uses Word. In summary, whether you need to send your work to someone using Microsoft Office, make edits offline using Word, or just prefer having a backup in a different format, downloading your Google Docs file as a .docx is a super easy and efficient solution. Thanks for tuning in to today's guide, and happy document creating.